And Draco Lurches, too.
Javier, hold this.
Alright.
Hold this.
Alright. Oh, damn.
Oh no. Yeah, you're done now.
Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ottawa County in northwestern Ohio, Erie County, eastern Sandusky County in northwestern Ohio until 12:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:48 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles northeast of Oak Harbor to near Fremont, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Sandusky, Fremont, Port Clinton, Kelly's Island, Putin Bay, Bellevue, Clyde, Oak Harbor, Green Springs, Castalia, Mobile, Catawba Island, Marblehead, Bettsville, Bayview, Lindsay, Rocky Ridge, Bloomingville, Sandusky South, and Stony Prairie. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Erie, Ottawa, and Sandusky. Special marine warning for nearshore and open waters from Vermilion, Ohio to Willowick, Ohio until 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:33 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Kelly's Island to near western Vermilion, moving east at 30 knots. Additional development of thunderstorms is also occurring in the nearshore zone near Cuyahoga County, which could produce gusty winds as well. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include western Vermilion, Avon Point, Cleveland, Lorraine Harbor, Vermilion, and Willowick. Geauga County in northeastern Ohio, eastern Cuyahoga County in northeastern Ohio, Lake County in northeastern Ohio, until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Talk about an interruption.
Eastern Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Cleveland Heights to Solon, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in Ohio, until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:47 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Cleveland Heights to Solon, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Eastlake, Lawrenceville Heights, North Russell, Middlefield, Burton, Highland Hills, Timberlake, Lakeline, Chesterland, and Garfield Heights. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Cuyahoga, Geauga, and Lake Heights. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Weather message. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Cuyahoga, Geauga, and Lake.
Ooh, activated. Alright, I'm going to F1.
What station?
I'm just gonna go on a random one.
Yeah, just channel, sir. That's what I do.
On front.
I don't know who relates. What are the counties again? You said it was Erie, what? Did you say Ashland?
Oh. Yeah, I said Ashland. And Channel 7 spawn.
Should be right. We're like right.
Okay, let's see if I can put something over here.
Okay. Do what I do, channel, sir.
No, that's what I do as well.
Milwaukee. Vermilion,
Hey, Channel 6, TV Channel 6.
Plymouth,
Not
Northern
one.
Rutland, Wickland, Savannah, Oberlin, South Amherst,
87.7, TV Channel 6.
Berlin Heights.
Hey, the man!
That's a new one.
New station!
Protection move to an interior room.
Guys, that's a new station.
Building.
New station! Thanks.
Yeah.
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a special marine warning for nearshore and open waters from Vermilion, Ohio to Willowick, Ohio until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. And to 17 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 11 nautical miles northwest of Lorraine Harbor to 14 nautical miles south of Huron, moving northeast at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Western Vermilion, Willowick, Avon Point, Cleveland, Lorraine Harbor, and Vermilion. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Warren, Ashtabula, Conneaut, Geneva on the Lake, Niles, Hubbard, Cortland, Geneva, Newton Falls, Lordstown, North Kingsville, Kingsman, North Bloomfield, Orwell, Albion, Andover, Linesville, West Farmington, Vienna Center, and Dansville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Ashtabula and Trumbull, and the following counties in Pennsylvania, Crawford and Erie. The urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Winnebago County in northeastern Ohio, Ashland County, Wayne County in northeastern Ohio, southern Lorraine County until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:57 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from
New station.
Loudonville, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Wellington to radar indicating northeast at 30 miles per hour.
Or AR.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated.
Okay, moving on now. Let's see if I get
Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Medina, Worcester, Ashland, Brunswick, Wadsworth, Orville, Grafton, Cleveland, Wellington, Provincetown, Lodi,
probably interfering with that. That's
Dalton, Shreve, West Salem, Chippewa, Kingsville, Hope, Maui, and Broadview Heights.
That's where.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Ashland, Lorraine, Medina, and Wayne.
Go to
Yeah, I forgot to hit record. I'm distracted, okay?
Way to go.
This girl right here.
Yes.
This girl right here
Yes.
got me distracted.
When aren't you distracted?
Never.
Exactly. Here you tease me about being distracted. Here you are being distracted.
I'm still gonna tease you no matter what.
I need you back.
Uh-huh.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Portage County in northeastern Ohio, southwestern Geauga County in northeastern Ohio, southeastern Cuyahoga County in northeastern Ohio, northern Summit County in northeastern Ohio, until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:37 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southeast of North Royalton, or 12 miles northwest of Akron, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Akron, Ravenna, Cuyahoga Falls, Kent, Solon, Hudson, Twinsburg, Streetsboro, Macedonia, Manaway, Stowe, Broadview Heights, Aurora, Brecksville, Bedford, Seven Hills, Bedford Heights, Fairlawn, Independence, and Northfield. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Cuyahoga, Geauga, Portage, and Summit. Warning for Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee, Eastern Williamson County in Middle Tennessee, Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, Northern Cannon County in Middle Tennessee, until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:34 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Lebanon to near Forest Hills, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs.
That's still early.
Nashville, Madison, Smyrna, Iowa, Waterloo, WLAC, Gladstone, Nolensville, Forest Hills, Oak Hill, Lakewood, Watertown, Hermitage, Walter Hill, Rural Hill, Antioch, Linda City, and Old Hickory. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 between mile markers 204 and 243. Interstate 71 and 97. Interstate 24 between mile markers 36 and 84. Interstate 840 between mile markers 36 and 76. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Southeastern Williamson County in Middle Tennessee, Bedford County in Middle Tennessee, Cannon County in Middle Tennessee, until 9:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:07 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles northwest of Woodbury to 6 miles east of Springville, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Murfreesboro, Shelbyville, McMinnville, Lewisburg, Manchester, Woodbury, Walter Hill, Chapel Hill, Cornersville, Morrison, Wartrace, Eagleville, Bellbuckle, Auburntown, Centertown, Normandy, Viola, Beechcraft, Rouse, and Fosterville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 65 between mile markers 23 and 26. Interstate 24 between mile markers 72 and 113. Interstate 840 between mile markers 37 and 57. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Chester, Oklahoma, Chapel Hill, Wartrace, Bellbuckle, Normandy, Christiana, Beechcraft, Rouse, Interstate 24 between mile markers 85 and 127.
Service in Cleveland has issued a special marine warning for near shore and open waters from Avon Point, Ohio to Geneva on the Lake Ohio until 11:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:01 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a shower-producing waterspout was located 13 nautical miles north of Cleveland. The shower was nearly stationary. Hazard: waterspouts. Source: public. Impact: waterspouts can create locally hazardous seas. Locations impacted include Fairport Harbor, WLAC, and Cleveland. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately.
A shower, eh? A shower. That's what you guys issued that special marine warning for. A shower. You don't know it's producing a water spout. But still, a shower. That's attractive.
Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Trumbull County in northeastern Ohio, Portage County in northeastern Ohio, east central Summit County in northeastern Ohio, until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:46 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Garrettsville to Talmadge, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Akron, Warren, Ravenna, Cuyahoga Falls, Kent, Hudson, Talmadge, Streetsboro, Newton Falls, Lordstown, Garrettsville, Manaway, Leavittsburg, Stowe, Aurora, Brimfield, Randolph, Monroe Falls. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Portage, Summit, and Trumbull. Damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Akron, Warren, Ravenna, Cuyahoga Falls, Kent.
That's the same one?
That's the same one.
Newton Falls,
Oh my god, that's hilarious.
Manaway, Leavittsburg, Stowe, Aurora, Brimfield, Randolph, Monroe Falls, Atwater, and Edinburgh. For your protection, move to
Oh my god, they relayed the SVR again.
They relayed it twice!
Until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Portage, Summit, and Trumbull.
Oh my gosh. In case you didn't get the first time,